We are very confident that it shall guide you in your trading and investing journey without any biases and also help in the automation of your strategy. Let's start. Open www.modernalgos.com. Click on the login button. Choose your broker. Enter your broker client code credentials. Upon successful login, you will be redirected to the product page. Click on the Algo Strategy Builder. In this video, we are going to discuss how to identify live market trend. On the top, you will see trend indicator. As per the famous saying, trend is your friend, it is easy to say but difficult to determine due to subjectivity of the analysis. To simplify the same, we have built an AI-based trend indicator which takes all the important data points and process them to show the ongoing market trend, and it gets updated periodically during the day. Therefore, whenever you come to Modern Algo's platform, you do not have to go through charts and identify the trend. Rather, it will be scanned and displayed for you. How do we identify the trend? Based on option chain analysis, based on volume concentration, based on standard deviation factor. There are other proprietary factors which are also used in the computation along with the above 3 data points to determine the trend. Important point, it is based on the intraday data only. Alright, trend is set. Next important step, which strategy to be chosen based on the trend? And many struggle to find answer for that and end up choosing a wrong one. To solve the same based on the trend, strategies will be highlighted on the top of the page. Based on a risk-reward objective, you may choose any strategy and deploy. Stay tuned on automation of a strategy with predefined conditions